something better in my head. Two different meanings to the words that you said. I guess I see the good and the messed up. Well, guess what? I ain't tripping no more, no. Keep it in the distance for sure. So why the hell I'm singing about this, oh no.
What is up, everybody? Tis your boy Geek of Sneakers back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, join the Geek Gang family. We're doing a giveaway at 5k subscribers where I'm giving away two $150 gift cards to two separate winners to any retail store of your choosing. And after you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell, be notified every time I post a new video, join the notification gang. Like the video if you guys enjoyed it, and make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. Today we have a lacing tutorial on the Jordan 13. Since the Flints are coming out this weekend, I thought it could help out some people on ways to lace them. And not just the Flints, but any pair of 13s you may have or get in the future. Now for the first lacing, we have the factory lace or the tight way. Now you want to take the left part of your string and put it through this loop right here. Same thing with the other side. Make sure both of your laces are even, and then pull. After that, you want to take your right string and put it through this loop right here. Take the left part of your string and do the same thing on the other side. After that, you want to tighten the strings. And then we're just going to be repeating that process until we get to the last loop right here. I forgot to mention, when you get to this part right here, you could put the laces through this hoop if you wanted to, but you don't have to. Then all there is left to do is tie it. Now of course this lacing would be best to do when you have your foot inside the shoe, because it'll be impossible for you to just do this lacing and just want to slip your foot in there. And the tongue on the 13s, really bro? And the tongue on the 13s are kind of big, so I personally wear them with my pants over the tongue. But for the on feet, I have one pant leg behind the tongue and one pant leg over it, so that no one gets left out to how they wear their pants with their 13s, and you guys could see what they both look like. So let's cue the on feet right now. Now again, for this lacing, you're going to want to start off with your laces like this, and we're going to be doing the loose way. You're going to want to make sure before you start to really widen the shoe. So again, we're going to take our right string and put it through this loop right here. And make sure there's a little bit of space like this, and do the same thing with the left side. Then again, we're going to continue that all the way to the last loop right here. To help out, you can put your finger through here and try to raise the laces. You want to take the leftover strings that you have, put it through this hole right here and this hole right here. And if you have a lot left over like this, you don't have to, bring it all out like that. You could leave some out to the point where the lace is hanging out like this, and then you could just put whatever leftover you have behind the tongue. And again, the same thing with the right string. This is personally my favorite way and how I lace my 13. So without further ado, let's get to another on feet. Finally, for this lacing, it's going to be a combination of the first two. We're not making it super loose, but not super tight either. Just like the second lacing, you're going to want to widen your shoes. Our setup for the laces again are going to be like this. Take the right part of the string and put it through the loop right here. for this lacing, again, we're not going to be making it too loose by putting the string up like that. Instead, we're just getting it through the loop, and we're not going to tighten it or try to make it loose. So do the same thing with the left part. And we're going to continue that all the way to the last loop right here. Then finally we tie it. Now time for the final on feet. So I hope I helped you guys out. Those are 3 ways to lace your Jordan 13s. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. And again, make sure to follow me on Twitter and IG at geekofsneak_. It's been your boy Harry, aka Geek of Sneakers, aka Geek of Sneaks, aka Geek, aka GOS. I appreciate you all for watching. I'm out.